Yo, sup? We're KDHD and we're gonna put a big test together. It's 12:18 in the morning. My parents are sleeping.
Oh, her parents are asleep, not my parents.
Parents are asleep. Kids are upstairs. We're gonna see how much noise we can make without waking them up.
We're gonna have to make ice cream by hand, but
we're gonna improvise
by using milk,
a container, and some kind of like
marshmallow stuff.
It's called improvising, and you may not want to try this at home.
Or
you might.
How much milk? That's enough milk?
It's
just
enough. You don't even know.
Okay, scoop it.
I'm pretty sure you should get a spoon for that. Mm-hmm. Are you serious right now?
No.
Did you really just do that?
Maybe I did. It looks like butter.
You know what? You will get over the look of it, I promise.
I'm allergic to butter.
Well, you'll get over it.
Oh, okay. I'm allergic to everything.
You'll get over that too.
Oh.
Feel free to help.
Hands free. Sticky.
Let me use a fork. Would a fork or a spoon work better?
Well, how many spoons do you need?
Enough.
Scoop it off with a big scrape.
It's like mixing Play-Doh. That would have been an idea.
Ooh, Play-Doh?
Ew.
White Play-Doh.
Oh well.
With black in it, so it's Oreo Play-Doh.
Then give it to my sister. Oh, poor thing.
More milk?
No, you need more cream.
Oh.
So, how to stick the marshmallowy stuff in there?
Oh my gosh, my hands. Scoop me off.
You take it to that level. You have to take it to that level.
Ew. I take a lot of things.
We should probably time-lapse this later.
What is that?
Like, speed it up. Because this is going to be one hell of
A long lecture?
video.
Something that they shouldn't hear. Like us talking about them.
Okay,
guys.
It only takes one person.
Okay, guys. She's gonna set up the other stuff while I try to make this ice cream.
You're gonna need ice for the ice.
I'm trying to show them. It's like almost impossible for me to do this.
Yeah, you just put it down
Oh.
and show them.
Did they see it?
I think so, yeah.
If you guys didn't see it, it looks like
Comment,
it looks like.
yeah, I'll take a picture of it and put it on.
It looks like what do you call that stuff? Old people eat.
You know, old people aren't watching this.
Oh.
You need to mind our audience.
Oh, I didn't say that they were bad. I just said it looks kind of like cottage cheese.
Ooh, I think I sliced my finger. Oh.
Too bad. Not paying any attention to you. What are you doing over there?
Putting it in.
Okay, she's cutting up bananas. Something more interesting. Woo!
You could not have said that any more sarcastic. I shall get a measuring cup as a first one. Oh, we should put coffee in it.
Yeah, so we can stay up a little longer?
A little longer.
Or a lot?
What is this? Speak up.
Come on, Camp. Haha. Master. Okay, turn on the blender.
No, we're not done.
I know. And vanilla extract. Whoa.
Oh yeah, we're gonna use Cookie Crisp.
Well, why don't you advertise?
We are.
Without payment. And is this enough? Like one little drop? It's not coming out of the lid.
Well, that's how much we put in for the Muddy Buddies. So,
How
should
much?
be fine. Just like one little.
One little drop? Two
Pretty much.
little drops? 1 cup of cookies? You need to run, get the oil now. Yeah, run. How fast can you go? And pick out plenty cookies. And we just advertise.
Oh, you want me to run? I'm running.
Oh, I'm seeing that. She'll be back in an hour. Time lapse that. Little wafer things. Stir the ice cream without ice. Looks like she's back. Too bad, guys. We had a nice conversation.
Probably about me.
Probably. Okay, now we add this delicious stuff.
I don't think delicious would be the word to describe it.
You want to add that
We're gonna put ice in there.
ice? Got it.
Where's the ice? How could it?
There, it's over here. I thought.
Yeah, I know, but it's easier.
2 fridges. Confusing. Oh,
Oh yeah, we gotta put.
cocoa.
And it has marshmallows in it. Just.
Dun, 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 dun. We just need some mint and we can do like a Christmas shake. I don't know.
I might have some mints.
Some mint, just throw in everything we find in the pantry. Okay, throw that in.
We should do that. And we need more milk.
More.
Okay. We're gonna probably bleep out anything that might happen. My dad is kind of
They're not
on the
gonna.
short side.
They're not gonna win.
They're probably not going to.
Okay, guys. Here's
Oh
the.
no, you gotta put this on right.
It is right. Or wrong.
Always wrong.
Okay, well, you don't stand in the way of the camera. Not me.
It's gonna fall.
Okay, just no. Actually, it won't fall. I've already. Okay, that'll work. Okay, ready?
We should probably do
Did you
the
plug it
ice
in?
crush.
Ice crush. It's on the top. Now,
Oh my god, you're such chicken shits. Let me get a knife to help it break up.
you put the ice on the top.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking.
We have a knife over here. Okay.
Die, ice, die.
Okay, you're mixing that nice. Okay. I'm gonna turn the blender on.
No, don't you even.
We were eating it off the ceiling.
I sure saw one of my dreams. Oh my god.
No.
Probably think it's the laundry.
Yep, laundry.
You should hear that thing. Sounds like a jet.
Okay, you're not mixing. If you don't stop mixing, I'm gonna go wake your parents up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, on right? Good. Something like that. Okay, so ice again. A lot wider. done. One more.
Blend. Just blend.
Blend. Which one is that?
Blend.
Oh. Blending in a blender. That makes sense. There should only be one button. Blend. It's not called an ice crusher. It's called a blender. Get some cups. A, it's cold.
Well, it is called ice.
Okay.
So, we were able to use the blender without reaching my parents.
Clear cup.
Why?
Because they can't see it. Through the green.
We only have glasses.
Okay, well, do so.
Stop that. I don't want to see your nails.
No,
Oh,
wow. Okay. For you.
Whoa, too high. Oh, God.
And you have to drink it all. Okay, I sip.
Hey, if we like it, we like it. If we don't, comment more stuff and we'll definitely make it.
Okay, ready, Holly? Cheers.
Cheers. It's not bad.
Clunky.
It's not bad. It tastes like tropical banana. Chocolate banana.
Chocolate and banana. Okay.
By the way, we've made like 10 bloopers, so I don't know if you want us to post those or not. Don't forget to like, comment, follow us on Instagram, and pretty much everything else. We will have that in the comments.
Don't touch me.
Later.